Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Diabetic Friendly, Antioxidants Loaded, ideal winter ingredient, and the not at all bitter Fenugreek paratha. That is the herald of the gathering of the winter storms, hails and rains. For such a weather, ideally the best and the most apt ingredient grows in my garden. But before that, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah, may he bless us all with true knowledge and wisdom. And that ingredient is fenugreek or methi, which is known to Indians since 800 to 350 BC and others since 4000 years. It is considered as the best ingredient for winters as it produces heat and helps stabilize the body temperature and is also diabetic friendly. To know more, stop the video and go through the 2 slides. And in the meantime, whole wheat flour or paratha, sifted and sieved of course. And in the meantime, fenugreek leaves or methi leaves, torn, shredded and ripped apart by hands, gram flour or besan, and banana mashed to sweeten and mask the bitterness of fenugreek or methi and caramelize the paratha too. But caution for diabetics, do not add banana. Use guava, dates, raisins or any of these options that I have mentioned. Now, ginger, fine chopped and add. Now, garden fresh green chilies, chopped and add. Garam, red chili powder, sea or any natural salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, pre-melted desi ghee, curd whisked, add it and knead into a dough. But the dough is too sticky, therefore add more wheat flour and knead again. This is what the dough should look like. Cover with a damp kitchen towel and set aside for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, uncover and divide the dough into equal sized 10 or so balls of dough. Now aag lagao and set up a hot plate, tawa or a girdle or a fry pan to heat. Drizzle and smear desi ghee. Sprinkle flour. Roll all the dough balls into flat discs or raw parathas and set them aside. Place the raw fenugreek paratha to be cooked on the hot plate or tawa or fry pan or girdle and allow it to cook. Flip when it looks firm and fragrance starts to fill the air. Look at that beautiful color. Smear desi ghee and enjoy the beautiful fragrance. And allow it to cook. Flip when the fenugreek or methi parantha looks firm. Now, smear desi ghee, enjoy the beautiful fragrance and allow the paratha to cook. Enjoy the beautiful fragrance and the beautiful color. And flip till both the sides are evenly cooked. And when done, switch off the heat or the flames and remove the fenugreek or methi paratha to a plate and serve fenugreek or methi paratha as such or with any sauce, dip, chutney, achar, pickle, curd, raita, veg, non-veg gravy, curry, salan or anything of your choice, or with a dollop of butter and a steaming cup of chai or tea.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear and above all your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. have a nice time, and as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.